Welcome, sports fans. Thank you for joining us. It's the NBA on 2K Sports. With Grant Hill and Clark Kellogg, I'm Brian Anderson. Allie LaForce is our reporter. We've got the visitors taking on the Milwaukee Bucks. Here we go. Tip-off goes to Milwaukee. Now the starting group for the visitors. Here's Antetokounmpo. Pass to Lopez. And a great assist by Abando, and that one goes in.
It's not all about him out there. Giannis, a real example of a team-first guy.
Somehow scores the layup in traffic.
Love to see that kind of activity. He just makes things happen.
And there is the whistle. That goes on Damian Lillard. That's his first foul.
I love great defense. Just quick to establish his feet, and he takes the hit.
And not afraid to put his body on the line either. He took a shot for the team in that situation.
The visitors with the ball. Gets it to go. That makes him 2 for 3 in this game.
Starting to find his rhythm. He's cooking, and he knows it.
And you know what? They're going to keep using him. I mean, he'll be the centerpiece of their offense today. You can bank on that.
Now here's Lillard. Lets it go from 14. Jump shot is good.
With the threat of his drive where he's lethal, the defense has to live with Giannis shooting the mid-range jump shot.
To the inside. Nice dish, and the layup goes down.
Attacking and
placement and timing have to be close to perfect.
I mean, he makes those in his sleep, and I'm sure Lillard's hit harder in practice. And something fans don't always get to see, some of the closely guarded secrets that happen in that huddle.
Yeah, typically there's some type of adjustment made out of a timeout.
Once again, give it up to your forward crew, Bucks fans.
To the middle. Here's Ramos. Stymied by Middleton.
Boy, the defensive hustle there by Middleton. Stretching out and getting his hand on that shot. Excellent effort.
He knew exactly where his man was going to be. Outstanding lead pass.
And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Hits the trifecta. 5 points in the game.
You know, pretty much anybody can hit that shot when they're that wide open. I mean, terrible defense.
And that one's good. Middleton.
Oh, I love the concentration and focus of Middleton. Knock him around, get physical with him, doesn't bother him at all. He stays calm and in control.
Covered by Lopez. Here's Ramos. No points yet. 5 on the clock. No one covering.
And that's what they want to do. Get him open looks early.
And it's Lillard with the ball for the Bucks. Fires the 3. And can't get it to go. Now 1 of 2.
You know, when he has the ball outside like that, that's exactly the kind of D they need to play on.
Smooth. Ooh, a clear foul there on the missed shot. So he'll get a pair at the line.
First team foul. At the line for the away team, number 34, taking 2 shots.
Take a break. Take a break. 2 shots.
And the free throw is good. Now leading by 1. So he gets them both. Here's Perez. Covered by Lopez. Down low. Perez can't hit. Now here's Lillard. 9 points in the game. Back to Lopez. Here's Prince. Misses in close. Covered by Lopez. Pass to Ramos. Drills it from deep. Ramos has got 5.
You know, they've got to make him earn those threes. You play off of him, and he's automatic from that distance.
Antetokounmpo, right side. Ramos pulls it in.
A perfect example of how to protect the rim.
And you know, guys, I love his fight and grit on the interior. I mean, he never lets a shot go uncontested.
Pass to Lopez. It's Prince on the wing. Three-pointer. Knocks down the long J.
You know, the NBA is all about the three-point shot right now, and Prince can really shoot it from out there.
Here's Smooth. The shot misses. Great D that time from Antetokounmpo. Throws it up high. Lays it in off the pretty lob.
Just a perfect pass and some pretty slick body control on the finish, too.
Man, that's butter.
He could have messed that up trying for a big slam. Nice work going to the layup.
And it's good for 2. 9 points in the game.
Wow, he was just wide open there. That's way too easy.
And here's Lillard from beyond the arc. Another shot. Here's Connaughton. And he was fouled while in the act of shooting, so he'll take 2 free throws.
13 foul.
The defense there, Joe.
Valley.
Well, Damian Lillard embraces the big moments. He said, quote, "I don't know why, I just do it. It's internal. I'm always talking to myself like, quote, I have to find a way. This is an opportunity to rise and to come up big. You've got to get it going. It's a real thing. You just demand that something extra of yourself." Brian?
Thank you, Allie. Game time is very real. Antetokounmpo, that's good.
How about the court vision of Middleton? Just so good at finding the open man.
Defended by Lillard. Over to the left wing. 6 to shoot. Goes up at the elbow. And so he draws the foul. Headed to the line to shoot a pair.
The officials were right on top of that.
Clearly a foul. I mean, didn't give him any choice but to blow the whistle.
For the away team.
You got to play without fouling.
2 shots.
Shooting 2.
And he makes a first. Portis, he's checked in for Lopez. And that's good as he hits both shots. The Bucks trail. Lillard passes to Portis. Back to Lillard. Comes up empty down low.
He did everything in his power to make that a hard shot.
And you know what, guys? That will pump him up because he takes a ton of pride in what he does on defense. Boy, that's finishing the defense there. He made a good effort on that possession defensively and then closed it out with the rebound.
Portis gets the bucket.
This speaks to how assertive Portis is, and he's skilled at knocking it down off the catch, too.
Second quarter of play with around 2 minutes gone so far. Deflected. Blocked. And that's out of bounds. Milwaukee will keep it. Wright's checked in for the Bucks. Timeout called. Milwaukee.
Right. Bucks call timeout.
Portis, the pass to Prince. Right outside. Down to 5 on the shot clock.
Allowed that one. He had a clear path to the cup.
Right, the pass to Portis. Antetokounmpo surveys. Can't hit that one.
And the shooter had very little space on that attempt.
And guys, that's exactly the kind of high-impact defense they want to see out of him.
Slams it down with 2 hands.
Man, they're really getting aggressive now.
Now's the time to do it. Keep attacking that rim.
Antetokounmpo covering. Oh, his shooting remains on point. 3 for 4 thus far.
And just totally relentless, only increasing the intensity level.
Yeah, I love the fact he doesn't play the score. He just keeps coming, attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal.
And again, it's the Bucks missing. To the middle. Antetokounmpo covering. Out to the right wing. Tipped.
That's just a really good defensive read from Portis. I mean, the read was excellent and the hustle was better.
Right, the pass to Antetokounmpo. Inside, Prince. Out to Portis. Launches it. Parries it from 3. Portis has got 6.
As a big, unless you're a dedicated rim runner, have to be some kind of threat from distance.
And looks like an illegal pick was set. That gets the ref's attention.
One of the trickier plays to judge, but it would be hard to argue against the call.
Yeah, you know, the officials aren't nearly as lenient as they used to be on that call. As a matter of fact, I know I got away with a lot of those in my playing days, but that was 40 years ago.
And the Bucks making a change here. Gallinari's checked in. Tried to bank it in, but it misses. On the break. The 15-footer. Prince grabs the miss. Prince has got 4 rebounds now. Here's Wright. Oh, a beautiful reverse layup. Wright's got 4 points now in the quarter.
And the team got excited about that one. Wright felt the contact, but still managed to finish through.
Pass to Ramos. Lays it up and banks it in. He has 7.
Taking people to school with moves like that.
The Bucks trail. Right, the pass to Gallinari. Right outside. Oh, and there's the whistle on the shot. So 2 free throws for him coming up.
Personal foul. First team foul. At the line for 2. Danilo Gallinari.
Contact on that shot. Officials call the foul, and he'll take 2 free throws now. Damian Lillard picks one up.
Team foul. Shooting for the away team. Number 23. At the line for 2.
And he knocks down the first one. And good on the second, so he makes them both. And there's the lob. Stolen away. Nice job to interrupt the alley-oop attempt. Throw it down on the breakaway jam.
Assistant.
Woo! His energy is unmatched.
And, you know, you're going to get those buckets, guys, when you're quick to get out on the break. Get that ball up the court as fast as you can.
It's Middleton on the wing. Pass to Prince. And here's Lillard. Shot clock at 6. Releases. Oh, he finds himself wide open and drills it. Lillard's got 13.
Pick works well there, but the defense left a lot to be desired.
Yeah, that's not the defense you need. You got to be tougher defensively.
Three-pointer off the mark. It's Middleton on the wing. Floats one up. No luck on that one.
A perfect example of how to protect the rim.
And, you know, guys, I love his fight and grit on the interior. I mean, he never lets a shot go uncontested.
Pass to Ramos. Brownlee. Pure from three-point range. 9 points in the game.
He's the last guy you want to leave alone on the perimeter.
Time called here. The Bucks decide to talk it over.
Yeah, coach no doubt wants to use this timeout to review the matchups and maybe make some adjustments as well.
Yeah, and
On defense, the visiting team. They've only allowed 2 points so far in the second half. For 3, here's Lillard. They grab their own miss. Antetokounmpo, no good with a layup. Antetokounmpo has gone just 4 for 11 from the field. Defended by Lillard. And the foul on Brook Lopez. That's his first foul of the game.
He didn't have his feet planted.
yeah, and I like this call because you want the refs in that situation. If there's any doubt, err on the side of giving the benefit of the doubt to the offensive player.
Gallinari has the size needed to score inside, even when the defense is right there.
Charity stripe shot. Counted. He's got 19.
Great to see players still working the in-between areas. There wasn't much resistance defensively.
For 3, here's Lillard. Look at Lillard, making it look easy.
I love how tricky Dame can be. He uses a pull-up J to catch the defender totally off balance.
Defended by Portis. Here's Ramos. He's got 9. 6 on the shot clock. Up and over Crowder. Good work defensively by Crowder.
He was so well positioned to interfere with the shot.
Yeah, I agree with you. I mean, he challenged the shot, and you can see the effects on the release of that shot. I mean, it turned a simple jumper into a tough one.
Defended by Portis. That one's good for 2.
An elite score, demonstrating once again how fast he can fill it up.
And here's Lillard. 18 points for him. Ooh, and he took a hard foul on the shot. So he'll head to the line to shoot a pair.
Third personal foul. First team foul. At the line for Milwaukee, Damian Lillard.
Take a break. Take a break. 2 shots.
And he drops the first. And both free throws good for Lillard. They absolutely want to add to what's already a big lead.
No question, B.A. No reason to let up. Just keep playing your game.
shot opportunity. Count it. Good.
And that's a backbreaker for the defense. I mean, offensive boards like that run momentum against you.
Well, you know, that's the way it's going to be for them today, fellas. Can't sustain any momentum.
To the inside.
Now, that's how you use the screen right there.
And it leads to a thunderous finish. That was nice.
And, you know, not enough help from the defense there to compensate. He gets a clean look, and that's exactly how you draw it up.
Defended by Lillard. 4 on the clock. Right wing. Here's ABC. Milwaukee with the rebound. Lillard's got his 8th rebound here tonight. A minute 29 left in the third quarter. Connaughton outside. Lillard left side. Oh, made it a tough look for him as the defense really pressed up on him. And 1:01 left in the third quarter here. Goes back up. Crowder grabs the miss.
Showing great intensity around the rim is part of why he's a respected defender.
And you know what? He's not going to give up an easy finish at the rim. I mean, that's just against his constitution.
Lillard converting inside.
Yeah, Lillard is relentless on offense tonight, getting bucket after bucket for his team.
There's 31 seconds left in the third quarter. 2 points. That one goes.
That's serving it up on the platter there. What a nice pass. A high percentage look was the result.
Launches it from deep. And no good. Covered by Connaughton. The 3. The shot off that time. That'll count. And the miss. And as we end the third quarter, a double-digit deficit will make it tough to come back. They lead by 13. And when we return, we'll get the fourth quarter rolling here on 2K Sports. And another 3 for Milwaukee.
A genuine sniper from downtown. Lillard's confidence is what makes him so dangerous.
Ooh, poked away. Lopez with the steal. To take the lead. And count the basket. He was fouled, and he's going to the line for one more.
That's his first personal foul. Second team foul. At the line to the box.
One shot.
Damian Lillard.
Man, they're just getting run over right now.
And you can really see they're starting to show some frustration.
Middleton covering. Great D that time from Middleton. Wow, potent offense. It's been fun to watch.
Just aggressive and effective, taking it right to the defense.
Here's Smooth. Pass to Ramos. Oh, there's the alley. Up high and down it goes on the lob.
A great read between those two guys. The defense didn't stand a chance, B.A.
These two teammates right here, Grant, they are connected.
And I tell you what, guys, that's a big play to make in a close game. Potential momentum builder there.
Yeah, there's a great rhythm to Lillard's game. Playing with pace.
Pass to Smooth. Driving inside. Milwaukee with the rebound.
A perfect example of how to protect the rim.
And you know, guys, I love his fight and grit on the interior. I mean, he never lets a shot go uncontested.
Pass to Ramos. And the foul is called. He missed it, so he's got a couple of free throws coming this way.
Personal foul. First team foul.
All right, guys, let's get your take on the hustle stats for the Bucks.
Yeah, they've done a great job of challenging every shot they can. Their totals in the block column are a result of that aggression.
You know, something else, guys? You know, they came out of that tunnel sprinting in a full stride sprint. That translated to the floor and lots of success in the fast break game.
The first free throw is good. Beverly, he's checked in for Damian Lillard. And so he hits both. Here's Milwaukee. Beverly outside. Lays it up and in on the nice reverse.
And despite being a little guy, Beverly knows how to step up big. Terrific at delivering when his team needs an important basket.
Pass to Ramos. And the layup is good off the glass.
And this is just typical of him. Always making an impact at crucial moments in the game.
You know, they want the ball in his hands here because they trust him to hit all the big shots.
Now a timeout called by Milwaukee.
They've been committing a lot of turnovers, and I imagine that's exactly what
our New Balance player of the game.
You know, not to take anything away from what he's been able to do, but I'm surprised the defense hasn't done more to try to stop him. By the time they did adjust and give him more attention, it was a wrap. He got rolling and never took his foot off the accelerator.
Damian Lillard's checked in for the Bucks. On defense, the visiting team. Pass to Antetokounmpo. Antetokounmpo. It's good on the putback. And the Bucks lead by 2.
Well, I tell you, the future of the Greek Freak is extremely bright. I mean, he really has shown the ability to deliver in important spots of game.
Ramos. The putback.
Great activity level on the board. Impressive. Wow.
So it's Milwaukee now. It's Prince on the wing. Ooh, now 7 for 9 after that make. 1:50 left in the OT period. Pass to Ramos. To the right side. 6 to shoot. Smooth shot is good.
34. Assist goes to Ramos.
And here's Antetokounmpo. He'll bring it up for the Milwaukee Bucks. 6-point game. Overtime basketball, folks. If you're just tuning in, we're just over 2.5 minutes. Oh, my! Throw it down!
And when the Greek Freak takes flight, I mean, he's looking at just in his throwdowns.
Defended by Lillard. Fires from 14. And he nails the jumper. 32 points in the game for him.
Pick works well there, but the defense left a lot to be desired.
Yeah, that's not the defense you need. You got to be tougher defensive.
Drains the triple. Stepping up and nailing an important shot to put this away.
And, you know, this run shows what kind of attitude this team has. I mean, the win is there. Go get it.
Smooth shot is good.
I like the play call. Very solid, making perfect use of the pick to get a great look.
Middleton outside. And count that. 2 points and a chance for one more at the line.
First personal foul.
Well, I tell you what, Middleton really does a nice job at being able to score.
Middleton, no good on the free throw.
Middleton is most known, quite honestly, for his scoring ability. He's a sniper from outside that you can't afford to lose contact with.
Smooth shot is good.
That'll drive your coach crazy, failing to box out. Ugh.
Those are free points you're giving away. You gotta work harder on the glass.
And he stepped on the line, so they turn it over. And short of a miracle, they're walking out of here with a tough loss.
They fought all night, a terrific effort, but they just couldn't make enough big plays.
Timeout called, the Bucks. They lead by 5. 26. Brook Lopez is checked in for Gallinari. Prince comes in for Wright. And Lillard subbed in for Beverly. And they go to the intentional foul.
And you know, it's unfortunate they will not have him for the rest of this one. But the game seems out of reach anyway.
Number 23. 6th personal foul. 2nd team foul. At the line for the Bucks. And Lillard.
And he misses the first one. Boy, he wanted that one to go. So it comes up empty at the line. All right, guys, what's your take?
No doubt. They've got to get a quick bucket here.
Yeah.
And right here, they can't waste any time.
No, you need a quick bucket and then a quick foul.
Count it! And he's brought them within 2 points now.
He's such a clutch shooter. He just lives for the big shot.
And they stop the clock as soon as they can with the intentional foul.
First personal foul. 3rd team foul. At the line for the Bucks. And Lillard.
So the first one drops, and that makes it a 3-point lead. So he gets them both, and it's a 4-point ball game.
Taking care of business at the line, leaving this one out of reach.
Your thoughts, guys?
And they're going to have to work fast coming out of a timeout.
Here's Perez. And he sinks it. And that one brings them within 1.
They're making smart adjustments, setting guys up for success.
It's certainly been an impressive run. They finally found the right formula to break down the defense.
At the line for Milwaukee.
And he cannot get the first one to drop. Tough one to miss. And he does get the second one. And that'll put him up 2. Here's Smooth. Pass to Perez. For the win. And he gets it. Wow.
The winner at the buzzer. It doesn't get any better.
Phenomenal finish. A 3 at the horn. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I guess really that's about the only way we could expect a game like this to close the curtain.
And so the road team gets the W in this one. They escape with the W, even though they needed a few extra minutes to pull it off.
And both teams gave their all. But when it came down to overtime, it was about who had more determination.
And that'll wrap it up, folks. For Clark Kellogg, Grant Hill, and Allie LaForce, this is Brian Anderson. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.